Hey there, welcome to Ruben's Rundown, where I share all sorts of things from DIY projects, reviews, property insights, fitness, firearms, and more. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. I've got plenty of exciting content coming your way, so stick around and let's dive in. Alright guys, so today we're going to be reviewing the Glock 43X. Comes in a very nice case. So yeah, let's dive into it. So the Glock 43X is a firearm that has quickly become a favorite of concealed carry market. Let's talk about why. So first introduced in 2019, the Glock 43X was designed as part of Glock's Slimline series, which focuses on creating compact, easily concealable pistols. This model is essentially a hybrid. It combines the compact slide length of a Glock 43 with the extended grip frame of the Glock 48, giving you a solid and comfortable hold for improved accuracy. What really sets the Glock 43X apart is its magazine capacity. So it comes with 2 magazines. While the original Glock 43 only held 6 rounds, the 43X bumped up to 10 rounds in a single stack mag, giving concealment carriers the perfect balance of capacity and slimness. They do sell a magazine that does hold 14, but the stock 10 is just good enough. So here's an interesting fact. Glock engineered the 43X with its proprietary NDLC finish on the slide, making it more resistant to corrosion and wear, an important feature for those who carry daily in varying conditions. It also has Glock's Marksman barrel, which improves accuracy through enhanced rifling and a recessed crown. So whether you're shooting at a range or in a high-stress situation, you can rely on its precision. A quick look at the ergonomics, the slightly flared magwell and textured grip make reloads fast and your grip secure even if your hands are sweaty or wet. So let's talk about the rounds that I used. So a friend of mine convinced me to use one of his friends who I guess makes these, and they're okay. They're a little bit different. So they're a little bit shorter. If you look at them this way, they're a little bit shorter, which kind of bothered me a little bit. I don't know if it's good or bad. This came from a brand, I can't remember the brand, but it was a box that I got from a store, whereas these were manufactured, I guess, at home. I did have some ejection issues as well as issues with it in the chamber, but nevertheless, here's a quick look at my time at the range with the 43X. guys, just came back from the range, had a great time as always at Quickshot Atlanta. They have several locations. Once again, I'd like to preface that I have no formal training, just from practicing common sense and trying to always practice good gun safety. When I'm out there, I do concealed carry, I do have a permit, and going to the range is a vital part of getting to know your firearms. That way, when you're in a high-stress situation, you know how to handle your firearm. But I had a great time. Please remember to like and subscribe and enjoy the rest of your day.